Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of sports car racing, a thrilling motorsport that has captivated racing fans for decades. Whether it's the roar of the engines or the artistry of high-performance vehicles, sports car racing holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. At its core, sports car racing involves the use of specially designed cars to compete in endurance and sprint races. These races take place on both closed circuits and open road courses, showcasing the incredible engineering behind these machines and the skill of their drivers. Unlike other types of motorsports like Formula One or rally racing, sports car racing often includes multiple classes of cars. These classes can range from highly specialized prototype vehicles to production-based cars that resemble those we might see on the streets. The variety in vehicles adds a unique aspect to the competition. Sports car racing traces its roots back to the early 20th century. It became popular in Europe, particularly in France and Italy, where iconic races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans began in 1923. This race, one of the most famous in the world, involves teams racing non-stop for 24 hours, testing the limits of both car and driver. Throughout the decades, sports car racing has evolved, incorporating new technologies, safety measures, and global fan bases. In the 1950s and 60s, manufacturers like Ferrari, Porsche, and Jaguar began dominating the scene, pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation in the pursuit of victory. One of the most exciting forms of sports car racing is endurance racing. These events, such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans, are grueling tests of both the machines and their drivers. Teams typically consist of multiple drivers who take turns behind the wheel, racing through the day and night. These events focus not just on speed, but on reliability, teamwork, and strategy. Endurance racing offers a unique dynamic, where technology and human performance are tested over long periods. This is what makes it distinct from shorter races that focus primarily on speed. Several prestigious championships and events take place in the world of sports car racing. The FIA World Endurance Championship, WEC, is one of the most recognized, featuring high-level competition across the globe. Another major series is the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, based in the United States, where some of the best sports car teams compete in North America. These series offer a mix of short and long races, bringing together manufacturers, private teams, and drivers from all over the world. And let's not forget about the European Le Mans Series and the Asian Le Mans Series, which allow international drivers and teams to compete at the highest level. What makes sports car racing so fascinating is the incredible technology behind the cars. Unlike Formula One, where the focus is solely on speed, sports car racing requires vehicles to be durable, reliable, and capable of high performance over long distances. Cars range from LMP, Le Mans prototype models, which are purpose-built for racing, to production-based vehicles like the GTE, Grand Touring Endurance, cars, which closely resemble road-going versions. These cars feature advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and hybrid engines, allowing them to tackle the toughest racing conditions. In summary, sports car racing is a thrilling, high-octane sport that offers something for everyone, whether you're a fan of speed, engineering, or strategy. From the long, grueling endurance races to the fierce competition in short sprints, sports car racing celebrates both technology and human skill. So next time you watch a race like the 24 Hours of Le Mans or the 24 at Daytona, you'll know that it's more than just a race. It's an exciting showcase of automotive prowess, innovation, and perseverance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you've enjoyed this brief journey through the world of sports car racing.